Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS update not installing in iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone or iPad and when you want to update your iPhone to latest iOS version and facing any kind of problem in which your iOS update is not installing in your phone, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have strong internet connection on your iPhone. And guys, after this you need to go back, scroll it down, click on general, and guys click on VPN and device management and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. So guys, if connected, then you need to disconnect it and click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network settings. And guys, after doing this, simply you need to go back, and guys you need to click on screen time and click on content and privacy restrictions and turn off this tab. And guys, after doing all the things, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.